tukeliga alia Alhamisi tariki 19 Mwatinyo kabiro mwaka wa 2025 na mwekene kiunga Alhamisi chinsainya senchira yobo ikiranu njeni ngongoro kwaro ni ototo nyaingire na kiunga chinsainya mwanjo mulirani kutoka chaka ya masemo kuruase kaunti ya Kisii na Manase University ya Kisii asomo wasiri wechisemi musike Julius Migosi ogamba nyarakawago chaka bene morobeli ho eri Africa uyolengete kosegeta obotuki Ase University me yenzi ya Kenya na bigoro ngongoro Africa libanya kabago twara umanyane mono igoro yechi sabo nabo igo kwerobelia kubwatakana amo no bumanywe bakanya kurwase obotuki gose research muri kito Daniel Ntiri namange
ukwana chinga kichego cha kebene umurobelio oheri Africa yurachi kokonya abrokigwa be University ya Kenya ukora obotuki bagutumeka chi computer ne metandao yekerero asokonyoro bumanyi boiseina sa masomo ugamba nigatebere buna egetambo kirekiga ngichikokonya na nigokere kengenchenene.
Data is important, evidence is important, research is important, decisions must be based on and will be able to resolve a lot of our problems. That's why this is so important, and that's why as a government we are taking it very, very seriously that we will support research. And that's why the government has actually come up with an independent state department of research.
Asomoiga uyokoreka Ase University ya Kisii no ikirenwa waigona bwatani au kurwase sekta yichisemi nego chinga kecho aine kibona ya serikali ya Kenya nere nekirenga kyukinia ibirengo bichisemi ile Kenya ikire ibirengo bichinsi chinde ne chinga kecho egero morobolio bwe wizara ya ye yokobeka abarukiwa Ase skuru au gose placement.
The government policy is children or learners select their schools, correct? So you have 4 categories. Learners choose category 1, 3 schools, category 2, 3 schools, category 3, 3 schools, category 4, 3 schools, a total of 12 schools. Suppose your school has not even had one person selecting it. Where do we get students to give you? Then you accuse me of saying this placement system is killing our schools. It's not true, because the data is showing there is something that data needs to tell us. So now we need to assess, are these schools supposed to be maintained, or where you have 5 students choosing or 10 or something. So this data needs to help us make decisions on where do we take the resources.
Asobotenri we university ga kolengana na barbo ekiga negetambokero ekiya ukonya aboro kigwa gosuka gocha sebirengo binde kumwaka bwekiri bubere na 50.
So what we are saying that in our multilingual setting, research in language education is crucial for boosting foundational literacy, improving classroom practice, and preserving local knowledge systems. It's very, very crucial to have that.
On behalf of the County Administration of Kisii, I reaffirm our commitment to supporting partnership that enhances research, innovation, and educational excellence. We congratulate all stakeholders involved in the establishment of Harnessing Education Research for Impact, that is Heri Africa Initiative, and wish you great success as you embark on this transformative journey.
And the goal is achievable. Ni kuambia tu maisha ya kitambo kwa heri na kuingia kwa heri.
Mkurubu terega taseni kia gatembe kurega Ase University ya Kisii yego toka somo chobo songo litera nengoro kwa Daniel Ntiri.
na mwancho mulilio mo raiwense moske William Samoei Ruto litukulia rohni gakora karaoke bene amona bamisie inse yeliabuli diabo alimanya kitabu na County Assemblies Forum imemucho Nairobi anamana sama gacho misangirikano KICC moske William Ruto niganya kabaga gusegeta bamisiabo kogandira numukyobo ho kore mirimo hanamo nase county chiriba korwa kose kwanakalia aba menyi bejinse mechio amagendero.
Omoraibense omoske Daktari William Ruto nigori tukoria rero aikirana ase gikaro kia ba MCA ime KICC gotoka ime Nairobi omoyega oikiranu no monene bwa waziri Musalia Mudavadi no mugavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja egatia baraibande.
As members of county assemblies, You are the frontline custodians and steadfast defenders of devolution.
Gukwana Moraibense ni gabasaba ba MCA kumubwatesia asiganga yo gukora magenderero.
Over the past 13 years since devolution took root, you have built institutions where none existed previously. You established the legislative background and backbone upon which county governments operate today.
Nigo aliaira yo kurigereria engire yabo bakonyora kubwatikana negase bakora asechi ward au.
And I did ask the County Assembly Forum to work with the Prime Cabinet Secretary and with the Salaries and Remuneration Commission, which exercise they have undertaken. They have also undertaken the re-evaluation of the Member of County Assembly role and responsibilities, and they have confirmed that it is necessary to upgrade. And as the national government, we fully endorse the recommendations of the evaluation, which includes the reclassification of the office of the MCA from job group ED4 to job group E1.
Ruto boigo ni gairari bagerio na kubaenekeria na chigo siro okomentwa gwekengese kwiri chiko lioko chigo chaka Ward Development Fund.
As the national government, we support the inclusion of the Ward Development Fund within the proposed constitutional amendment framework alongside other protected funds including the National Government Constituency Fund, National Government Affirmative Action Fund, and the Senate Oversight Fund so that ward-level development is legally secured and stable.
Asensemo yaye Musalia Mudavadi wego mugavana Sakaja nigo babwatesi Moraibense asechi nkwana chiaye.
Being a leader of a county assembly is a very, very significant assignment in this republic.
Your Excellency, the members here are the anchors of devolution. Devolution is based on the principle of subsidiarity, which states that a service is best offered at the lowest level compatible with the benefit area.
Ripoti yake taseni kiage tembe, Jensam, Yenda.
Na mwanasiasa kurwase kaunti ya Mira Omoskedan Adams Mochenwa nigo mwachiri botumeki bwechi machini asobotori bwechae asakatana gatambukire kini kirire abalemi abangose abakolimere mwase emegondo yechae gosiria engeria yabo yakralituko niga ene kiribuna aise koba aise gochoroka ba matsanda be kaunti ya Mira niga chukane kuna machini echichanya kwa chiko kyanigwa elinde abana inchi banyaka bakanyolera emiremo
ase entunda yende nigo umwanasiasa kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira Engineer Adams Mochenwa amochire abaraiba gusi ase ogusinywa kubaigirira abantu baria baregokora emiremo yogotore chae ase amasamba abo baseretiwe na emireme yo ekairwa neji machine ejo chigotora echaeyo kuika rero iga korengana ne Adams Mochenwa nigo atebire buna amasamba yo nigo akonyete abantu abange aso kwenyorera esabuni yabo yakirarituko naigo bagwenerete kwegererwa eryo bairaniwe emiremo ejo
aseroli eria representation bunango janateba egentege tanga ningo chikubulia ali senate muina antu agwata masamba abantu betu bakabokire mambia bagenda gotore chai akega bakareta chimashini ali abantu mukairana isiko echire eri mwagachire mukomoni unanenga kiyo musara teyo abantu bakorire gasi naho bare kenyoro both skilled bali barenge chi manager na unskilled bali baengo tore chai mbabwati gasi the Ministry of Labor ikabeke kinako tin yego teba tiga bayuwane na abanyene amasambaria egere banyare komanya komenya ne community boronge bakeichi machine abantu bairane bakorega munganchire ebegente getanga ningo chigusuguma
ajaiga ni gari kuyakwana ekero kiomenyeka bwebirero ase kinyoro kya Irandi ekyo kyogotoka umubaga bwe wodi ya Itibo imeye bunge ya North Mugirango na boigo kya Banyoru imeye bunge ya Borabu umunyega boigo engineer Adams Mochenwa aboria egesa kukyomo busibwensi koba amo na komosira Dr. Fred Matiang'i asiganga yaye yo Korea ekerogo kyoburai bwense
omugusi itule maega yango Fred Okengo muri korara Matiang'i yego ikenga kielirende moko nyoro mwana itugurari nansa moko nyora Mocheno
Ensemende nigo aikirana ase skuru ya secondary ya Nami egotoka ewodi ya township ebunge ya West Mugirango asenere airachinga kecho na kubasegeta aborki wa beskuru eyo kubeka omokiamano ase amasomo
sababu sisi kama jamii ya Omugusi the only shield that we have where we run to education. So if we cannot prepare our students well for the outside world, there is no any other option. Because we don't have land, we don't have livestock, the only thing we have is education.
Ngolbota regetembe koraigasi kaunti ya Nyamira Jefatikad Hisemba
na manchu muligererie hosio bwetaro ya ababwatani bekusemeri yo kwamereria serikali imehirongoro gusiya ikegocha nigababwatani bekiama kya UPA basokire na kukwanira ngane US babolirie abantu bonse wesokia sobonge naboigo korokia amasikani ase etareyo naboigo kurinda omorembe chinga kichonze.
Kwa majina anaitwa James Nyakangi, coordinator wa UPA Nyanza Region. Tunataka kuomba wananchi wote wa Gusii Region kwamba mwenzetu amba mtoto wa nyumbani His Excellency Fred Okengo Matiang'i atarudi tena kututembelea siku ya Jumatatu kwa masiku kadhaa. Mara ya mwisho alipotoka ng'ambo kuja kutuomba kama ataomba uraisi, ilikuwa siku njema na watu walitokea kwa wingi na wakasherekea na wakafurahia na akaamua kuomba kiti ya uraisi.
UPA ntwe tayari sete ko karibisa ekiongozi gito the 6th president of Kenya Fred Okengo Matiang'i vijana bunanje representative ye vijana via Gusii more especially from Nyamira County na abande bari bonse in Gusii in Kisii County na abate biri mwe sokie sabange toche tokaribise
yengo kwana buno mukungu oli okoibora abangina bali bebolite Dr. Fred Matiang'i mwezi pimo chekerenyo toche koiriria atana gotenga esinto yo magoko tubwatenga mwana itonere osokire siko.
We are not mobilizing our people to welcome Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Fred Okengo Matiang'i because he's a performer. Mutaona sisi hakuna haja ya kuchukua watu na mapasi kupeleka mahali. Tumeweka mikakati ya kutosha, watu watakuja wenyewe na wale wanakuja wale ndio watakuja wanajirada wenyewe.
Our bid to our counterparts parties to support Matiang'i. We want to get the equal representation as we support Matiang'i. We want to get any discrimination from any other party. We need everybody on board. We want to get the Kurwana, Usiga, party ya Tati Kengere, Kenya Social Congress, party ya Jubilee, party ya Madison Oyongo, Chionzi tari important as we support.
Manjumo ligere karabuni gotoka no motemoko kego anse ye kionga chinsa inye tokwera natnya kwatoka na mange ingo tonya kwa goskoshare.
Lea Wao Kids Daycare ni kituo cha kulea watoto kuanzia mwaka mmoja na kuendelea, mahali ambapo mtoto wako anajifunza kupitia michezo na kukua kwa furaha. Tunatoa huduma za full day na half day katika mazingira safi, salama na yenye upendo. Tuna wafanyakazi wenye mapenzi, subira na uangalifu wa hali ya juu kwa watoto wako. Lea Wow Kids Daycare tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalamu, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714824433 au 0752901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chinkuma asogoko obukoreri asechinse mobuna corporate event Chiroadshow Chinyange Amakanga Chianniversary na yenda mangamna one photography, videography, live stream na coverage na yende amange kurubare obukoreri asechi tent ebirugo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba klesinyo sinamba 0721217817. Hazina Siri Events, this is a surety.
Mwanju muligeri karibu nsemo ya kabiri ya kionga chinsa inye abaroki wa beskuru ya tente yotoka ime ye bunge ya West Mugirango County ya Nyamira ridukoli alero ni abaroki mugokobo magiga yokorosarigwa amache osiyoko gwetangi hamana gachunjuwe gachukane kuna amache bakotacha yembura nigara kwa mayayo kunywa na gukorera imirimo ansina no korasiri ndagara seskuru yo murubuli yo nigosirwa amo no mwana siasa no bwo monchero kurase county ya Nyamira umanyakante gose aserieta Rogers Muturi wasoma katabuna Muturi Ogadia nimna kutumia ulikyo tofauti kadi Disemba.
Puna injira eyemo yokweneke buna aboroki wa beskuru imbabwate amachama ya ayo bagutumika asokoro iseria endagira na kunywa nigorero abaibori aboroki wa naboigo aborokia beskuru yoboroso ya tente bare dekibakogokera maiga yokubekerwa ebichunchugo ebyo bigochunchuga amache yembura omoroberio osirire asobwange no monchuriria naboigo oromwana siasa korase bunge ya West Mugirango aserieta Rogers Muturi bakubwaterana na Aquaclara
chifirta tobegete iga na ande ntwado ne chifirta jinde ko chia saba iboli nte nongi boleira enere polling station yane ekere bambori tinga itrabeke tindengereti enalengereti singwa kera chikurangai tente gonga baleta agaiga bono koruga iga nkogenda ndo all over West Mugirango toroserie abantu mache na ande totebia our leaders batie ko waste our resources gonna go sink the borehole, which is very expensive and expensive to maintain. Amache tubwate ga igavesi kuruchi ebirama byeito igaisa ine abantu baito bakonywa igabantu
Omoyega oyo bwogwa sioria obochaka gutubekwa kwa macha yo nigoboigo oikiranwa nomo MCA we wodi eyeiga ya township omosketi okimasira oyo oirachinga kecho na gokwanira obokongu bwa mache asekinyorekyo akomuboria omworokia omonene bweskuru eyeiga ya tente asirita aori munda boigo anchire abanyakenyoro abo gotumeka amache
aiga mtu egesimanki ari mitwari kare muno no mwakanyagarama gikoma ngiachi ko babuna yo mitoro jasi atebanga ebire bintu toko kora bire very expensive lakini ando mwali nto guikera elengo yegintu twategete gukora so igo tigante bene sendo teyikwa korira mwaka aiga etore sigitunuguru amaje gato kurusinse ngo ngora abantu bari gwakonya na abana ese ngijo mwali mutakoimuka kurwa akikuya amaje bakurugira gote gotinga no mwana gotumwa ense yu atum tugutine yegrasi yari kobwate bono ngore to gwikere filter inchu atacha mache mwari mwa bono igurira abantu ba minto na into na die surrounding nere gwinjinga mwarimu uyu gwitani kurwanirira abana nero tokonyire bunike nyuru
gukwanira iguru ya magaciye birasi byesukuru eyo nigo umwarimu oyo monene arikana kugokera imirimo emiya eyo umubunge o West Mugirango Muske Steven Mugaka abetega kubakorera ase okubaroiseria ebirasi kurende nigatebire sukuru eyiga nibwate okugania kwa iguru gukoroiseriwa ebirasi binde bya ase abana bagosomera.
Mheshimiwa wakili Steve Mugaka ambaye aliweza kuyakarabati madarasa sita ambayo yana kwa upande ule wangu wa kulia na vile ile grade 9. Kwa hivyo kama tungeweza pata viongozi katika West Mugirango constituency na county government yetu ya Nyamira ambao watakuwa na roho ya kusaidia shule, wataisaidia tuweze kuwa na madarasa ambayo yanaweza kuwa ni masafi.
Kubatekana na yaye birasi nigo Rogers Muturi ensemo yaye arikana kumomochia umubunge o West Mugirango Muske Steven Mugaka ase ugutaroisia ebirasi bya ase skuru eyo.
Leo hatuchakucha siasa, tumekucha kwa maendeleo ya hii shule. Kwanza kabisa nataka kuapologize kwa wanafunzi na walimu wa hii shule. Nimepata chance ya kutembea kwa hii shule. Actually I'm ashamed on behalf ya West Mugirango. Pole sana. Hawa watoto hapa mahali inaitwa Tente. Aseke usiye koru kwe Tente. Abana baite wange bamenyete Tente. I'm shocked at this age. We have watoto ambao wanakuja shule kwejigambuti.
Kingo reporter Gatembe kuraiga se county ya Nyamira Njefatigad Kisemba.
Na manju muligereri omwana siasa kurwase county ya Nyamira Sirita Bednego Maina oyu orakirie kerenga kigo chikoligie karokyo basyo bogafana asabucharo mu mwaka bwachirwe na 2052 niganyara kabaga kubolia basae basokia sobonge na kweli kibona bagicikura unachire mu kuyarigania ase obochore bonne umwaka bwachirwe na 2052.
Mind the youths that the time has come for us to make sure that we have change in the leadership in our country, and the only way we can have change is for us the youth to stand up, tuende tushike tufanye registration, voter registration, because we know that we have the numbers, but our numbers don't show when it comes to the day of election. And that's why today I'm reminding all the youths, we have talked online, we have demonstrated, and we have seen how the leadership of this country has decided to divide us. And now it's time for us to go and show them that our numbers matters. And for ourselves to take over the leadership of this country, we must rise up, register as voters, and we remind the IBC to make sure that they have enough.
Na manjumo ligererie habwo mapema twachagota na haba wakiri ni baba tobochori bwa litukulia lero asebanyara kwa abagochora anmono umurayo monne gosomo president bwe kiombe kima kitamna law society of Kenya CLSK na kwa roboti twanyole dolinga Charles Kancha senior council na nyara kwa gochorwa koirari bagalia Faith Odhiambo buna omo nyakirogo gose umurayo monne gose president ya Law Society of Kenya kirabuna tokorera magana maye kionga chinsa inye chirigongoro kwaro ne toto nyaingiri korwa sensa memeryo niko korwa sensa memeryo taling na induli tukolia lero na ni korwa sensa ya transmission niko hakoro kwa Mike Willis kande gotoro uliruya imenyaga Tembe TV kiongia mamusi wogotoro tukobuya.
Lea Wao Kids Daycare ni kituo cha kulea watoto kuanzia mwaka mmoja na kuendelea, mahali ambapo mtoto wako anajifunza kupitia michezo na kukua kwa furaha. Tunatoa huduma za full day na half day katika mazingira safi, salama na yenye upendo. Upendo. Tuna wafanyakazi wenye mapenzi, subira na uangalifu wa hali ya juu kwa watoto wako. Lea Wow Kids Daycare tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalamu, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714824433 au 0752901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy.